Hundreds of people have been hospitalized as a multi-state Salmonella outbreak continues.
Some food brands, including Ritz and Goldfish crackers, are being voluntarily recalled over potential contamination concerns. News 8's Mal Meyer joins us now with the latest on the outbreak.
Mike and Martha, confirmed Salmonella cases have been linked to raw turkey products, spring pasta salad sold at Hy-Vee stores, and Honey Smacks cereal. And now some whey products may be contaminated as well. Despite the multiple outbreaks, one woman I spoke to today says she's cautious, but it won't stop her from grabbing a quick bite to eat on her lunch break. Elizabeth Geisner saw a Apothic food truck was going to be in downtown La Crosse, so she stopped by for a quick meal.
I've eaten at the food truck for the Cameron Park Farmers Market and then at the Earth Day Fair, and their food is phenomenal.
She says she's very aware of the recalls and looks into where her food is sourced.
I actually have seen way too many people get sick from food outbreaks.
These outbreaks may be on the rise in recent years, according to data collected by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
It's frontline players like infection preventionists, local health departments that start seeing these cases come in. They're seeing cases a little bit more frequently than they typically would see.
Food quality may be one of the reasons why.
We have a lot of food being imported from other countries, and those regulations aren't as stringent as compared to food produced within our own country.
But the numbers might not give the full picture. Meller says with new technology, health officials are able to find and trace the source of the outbreak faster.
Potentially meaning that the same number of cases could have been occurring in the past, but we didn't have the ability to detect all of them.
As for Geisner, she's confident Apothic food truck is taking note of the current recalls and acting accordingly.
I know that they're pretty careful about what they're putting in their food, so if I'm going to trust a food truck, this would be one of the ones that I'd trust, perhaps more than some of the others.
Health experts say if you do start to feel symptoms including a fever, diarrhea, or abdominal cramps, alert your healthcare provider or the health department. Children, the elderly, people with some pre-existing conditions, or pregnant women should seek medical attention if they feel they are affected by the outbreak.
Okay, but Mal, with all of these happening so frequently, the different outbreaks and contaminants that are happening, how can people find out in more real time, or more quickly at least, about these recalls?
There are two main sources that I would probably recommend. The CDC for sure. They have a full website with all of the latest outbreaks, including some maps that you can see which states are being affected by these outbreaks. And then there's also recall.gov, and that combines information from multiple agencies where you can see the latest recalls.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mal.
Yeah.